Good day, everyone. Okay, so in this video, we are going to be doing this tutorial, this flyer design. Okay, so this is how we go about it. So first of all, go to our background. Then let's change our background to a gradient color. Now the difference between gradient and normal color is that color is just one color that you have throughout, but gradient you can have two, three. It's a mixture of colors. You can have 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the gradient color that we're going to be using is this. Now to get it, you go to add, then you see this place now. You, you click your paint bucket. Here you now select your color. Here, you adjust it here and adjust it here to what you want. Then click OK. Then click on the second one. Then click your paint bucket again. Select where you want. Usually to be in the center, so you select here. Then you select how you want it to be. Okay, so this is our color. If you want exactly these colors are used, you go to your paint bucket and you see the hex code, so you can just enter it here and type it here, 47116F. Then go to the next one, then enter it here and type it. Okay, so let's delete this text. Okay, so now we import stock image to be used for the design. So this is it. Okay, you notice that our image has a logo at the bottom, and we don't need that to appear in our design, so we are going to clean it out. So go to eraser, then now increase the size of the eraser and then we'll clean it. Okay, so this is our image now. I think it's in the center already. Okay, centralize it. Then add our text. So the font we are going to use for our Friday is Montserrat. So go to font, then go to my font, then I'll go to Montserrat bold. Increase the size, centralize it. Okay. So I'll copy it and centralize it too. But this time around, I'll reduce the opacity of this one. So that will be 80%. Now move it up. I'll duplicate it again. Centralize it. Still reduce the opacity to 60%. Okay, so I'll carry my image up. Let me increase the size of the image more So I want to add shadow under the leg that came out. So if I want to add shadow, this is how I'll go about it. So I'll go to my shapes, I'll select cycle, turn the cycle to black. Okay, increase the stroke to the highest, then increase the blur radius to the highest. Okay, so then this is it. So from here I can be able to work on my shadow and adjust it in the following way. Okay, let me turn it back to normal. So the tool we are going to use is our perspective. So let's go perspective. You enable it. So you see the four edges of the tool, the perspective tool. You see what it does to your image. So I want to adjust it to have the perspective of the ground. Let's move it here. Let's still work on it again. Okay. It's still not giving me what I want, so let me adjust it this way. So this should do. Okay, so I reduce the opacity. And I'll send it to the back of the image. Let's add our other effects. So let's import this. Okay, so crop, we need only this part, so crop it out. Crop it out. Okay, so can put it somewhere around here. So we can put it somewhere around here. Then So then let's increase the size. Increase it, rotate it, then you just put it somewhere around here, and then reduce the opacity. Okay, now duplicate this one, then crop it, then select this one, then put it around here. Let's add our text. Time ahead. Click for stop. Okay, so change the font. Change the font to my font. Font is regular. And click OK. So reduce the size. Align it to the right. Justify it. Okay, so this is it. To know more about your Pixel Lab interface, because you really want to know about how the function of each of these tools in the Pixel Lab interface. So just click on the video on the screen.